Spaceship versus Hostinger versus Namecheap 2025. Which is best? Choosing a web host in 2025 can be tricky, but most people get this wrong by focusing only on price. Let's compare Spaceship, Hostinger, and Namecheap. Spaceship offers a sleek, beginner-friendly interface with decent speeds and free certificates. You won't believe what happens next. It also provides drag and drop website building tools, making it perfect for small projects or portfolios. Hostinger is known for low-cost plans with strong uptime and fast servers. Unlike Spaceship, it supports multiple programming languages, WordPress optimization, and cloud hosting options, which is ideal for growing websites. Namecheap is a long-standing domain and hosting provider. It excels in affordability, reliable support, and domain management. The surprising truth is that Namecheap's hosting is slightly slower than Hostinger, but still very reliable for small to medium websites. So, which is best? For beginners or personal projects, Spaceship is easy to use. For fast, scalable hosting, Hostinger wins. For affordable domains and reliable hosting, Namecheap is solid. Your choice depends on your priorities, ease, speed, or cost.